In this video, we get to look into how you can get to make your account, your Instagram account private this 2024. So it's very simple. Open your Instagram account. You can see I'm already on my Instagram account. And the other thing I want you to do, if you find this video valuable to you, just go ahead and make sure you just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that you get to support this kind of content as you get to proceed to give out more solutions to these tech world. So let's just once you get to open your account, you need to come to this profile picture right here. You can see I've already clicked the profile picture on my Instagram account, and then you need to proceed to these menu option on the right side of your phone, and then you're going to see it's going to bring you to these setting and privacy section. So what you need to do, you don't need to do anything for now. The other thing you need to make sure is you need to make sure your account is a personal account. It's not a business or a creator account. Make sure it's a personal account. So the other thing you need to do, you need to proceed to the setting and privacy section, and here you need to scroll down here. Don't touch the notification time spent. I will just need to just scroll down here. If you want to block specific people, you can just proceed, and you get to use that section. If you want to hide your story and live, that's the option whereby you get to do all that. So for now, for this video, you want to make our account private. So you can see you just need to click account privacy, and it's going to bring you to this window, which has one ability, which is just to turn on this option right here. So you just need to turn it on, and you can see it's going to tell you business account can't be private. If you want to make your account private, first switch it back to a personal account. So for now, what you just need to do is to make sure, as I said, make sure you have a personal account, and you can get to switch it right here. You need to just go to the option of the account center, and you make sure you switch your account to personal account. So that's how easy you get to switch your account to a private mode this 2024. If you have found some value in this video, just go ahead, you make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next one.